Good morning, guys. Today we have this brand new Jeep Grand Cherokee with us from Lans Auto's in Monsters. Thanks to you guys for letting me experience this all new 5.7 V8. Really nice upgrade, I have to say. Especially the looks are a lot better than the previous Grand Cherokee. It's a lot more squared off. You have this nice blacked out grille. Everything is actually blacked out on this Grand Cherokee. Pretty nice wheels, as you can see here. Grand Cherokee on the side. One thing that is a bit of a bummer, this car is actually built over to a van. Yeah, what I mean with that is you don't have back seats anymore, because regulations in the Netherlands, you have to pay BPM, as we call it. For example, that Opel, if you buy that new, you have to pay BPM, so that's about 30 to 40,000 euros over the normal price of the car. Yeah, that really sucks. But if you put a plate back the seats like this, you don't have to pay that, so it's a lot cheaper. Otherwise this car will be really expensive in the Netherlands. Now it's around 114,000 euros. Again, it's a lot of money, but could you imagine even being more? Because when you have 4 seats, it would be around 150 or 160,000 euros. Yeah, and that's really a lot for a Jeep. So let's check out the engine bay. As I said, it's a 5.7 liter Hemi V8. Yeah, great engine with a ZF transmission, 8-speed. Yeah, just a really good engine and transmission, so nothing wrong with that. Jeep, good quality actually, from GM. So yeah, let's check out the back, because as I said, yeah, you don't have back seats anymore, so you have a lot of space. One thing also, the speaker system in this car is really good. It's actually an upgrade. I will show you that in a moment. It's from this company. I can't really spell it, but yeah, it's a really good system. Nice badging over here. It actually lights up at night. I was just driving over here and actually I had seating massage, as you can see over here, what is really good. But I almost fell asleep, so good was it. Okay, so big screen. Actually, I will put off my jacket. Yeah, it is a bummer that you don't have back seats anymore, but yeah, for the money, I mean, it's the best option, I would say. Or the money doesn't bother you, then yeah, you should just buy it with the back seats. Because I have to say, because of this, I can't put my seat back further. So yeah, as you can see, it's a little bit, I wouldn't say cramped, but it's not really spacious. Okay, so nice storage compartment over here and over here. Actually, some more over here. Also, let me know what you guys think in the comments of this new Grand Cherokee. Do you like it? Don't you like it? Is it better than, for example, a Mercedes GLE or a BMW X5? Yeah, let me know what you think of it. Yeah, one thing that I really I'm not really a fan of is all this piano black, because as you can see, there are a lot of scratches, fingerprints. Yeah, that just sucks a little bit, but yeah, it's in really a lot of new cars. And also the quality, it all feels really sturdy. That's one thing. Also with this nice leather over here, the wood finish. It all in all looks really good. The whole dash is all leather. Don't know what these guys want. Oop. So yeah, one thing I don't know why GM did that, but look at this. When you put it in gear, you want a lever. This is just, yeah, no, not really manly, but okay, it's fine. It blends in, it looks nice. Steering wheel, really good, feels good, but one thing again, you have those pedal shifters. I stepped in this car and I thought, oh nice, pedal shifters, but just look at how small they are. They are only at the top, so you can only, yeah, just shift with your fingers. But yeah, that's okay. For GM, fine, you can do it, but it works. But you really don't gonna use them that much for me. Nice panoramic sunroof, but yeah, as I said, you only can use the half because the other half is in the back. Really nice seats, really comfortable. Some nice badging in the on the top. Actually color matching seat belts, so that's really cool. Nice digital display, not the best quality, but it's fine. This display actually is a lot sharper, a lot better than that one. I don't know why. So you have 360 view, back view camera. It turns when I turn the steering wheel. Let me look, yeah, 360, back view, front view. Yeah, what every car has these days. But the thing that is really cool, as I said, look at this. I can choose high, mid, low and off. Oh. And then yeah, firm. Everything is in Dutch because yeah, this car is programmed for a Dutch car. So, oh, but it feels really good. I mean, for a long journey, yeah, this is the thing to have. It's just great. So, other things, you have actually air suspension. So the car, when you put it in, for example, sport, then it says, yeah, look at that symbol, that is lowering. Now actually the whole car is lowering down. Actually, yeah, better performance on road. The suspension stiffens up, so it's also better. Yeah, it drives more sporty. But if you want, you can also go to rock. And now we are going up. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep. But it's actually quite a lot. Going even up even more. Okay, yeah, that was it. So as you can see here, not at the highest mode. I don't know if I can put it. Yeah. Yeah, now we even are going higher. I really want to see how that looks from the outside. Whoa! Look at this. It's really a lot higher than it was. Air suspension these days are really good. And to step in, it's a lot higher. Well, that's great. Okay, so let's quit the talking and let's go driving, I would say. Actually, let you guys hear the engine noise. Yeah, you can't really go wrong with a 5.7 Hemi V8, I would say. So let's go for a little test drive. It's so crazy that the car is so much higher. I didn't really know that it could go this high. But this is awesome. But the suspension feels actually quite the same. Okay, let's go to auto. Yeah, this car is washed and it's clean, so I would go a little bit slow through this water. Otherwise the company, I think they aren't so happy with me making their cars dirty. Oh, actually we are lowering again because we are in a normal driving mode. And one thing I have to say, there are a lot of people looking at this car actually, because one thing, it's all new, of course, but it's all blacked out and it looks really premium from the outside. A lot better than the previous model, I would say, again. So I am just getting a back massage right now, driving an all new 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Yeah, what do you want more? We have the nice sun out, nice weather. Actually last week I was here and it was all rainy and the whole day. It was just really, it did just really suck. And now it's nice sun, nice weather, so what better than review the all new Grand Cherokee. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn the notification bell on, because every time I post a new video you will get a message from it. You can watch it or you can don't watch it. Well, yeah, that's your choice, but I would recommend to watch it because there is a lot of really cool stuff coming. Also a POV review of a 2022 Rolls-Royce Phantom. Actually that car cost $800,000. So that's, yeah, that's really crazy. But now, for now, we have this amazing beast, the all new, and I'm really surprised. Yeah, really. I actually drove the previous model, but this just drives so much better. Yeah, it sucks that you have this in the back, but okay, if that's it, if it changes the price from 150 to 114, I would say it's really worth it. So I will go left over here and then I can let you hear the sound a little bit more. Actually, it's really fast. I didn't expect that, but yeah. I also didn't really expect that it has a V8, but Jeep, well done. Thank you guys for still making V8s, because I believe next year or the year after that, General Motors isn't gonna make V8s anymore. What is really sad. Just the cars are just, I don't know what it is, but I really don't want to drive a V6 or a 4-cylinder. Also, that's better than electric, I would say. But yeah, come on guys. Yeah, it sounds good for a stock exhaust. Yeah, well, what else would you expect from a 5.7 V8? I also believe that it drinks a lot of fuel, but yeah, okay, I can deal with that if you have this sound. Okay, so let's put it in sport. Let's put it in manual shifting. I mean, that's really good for a SUV. Let's do that one more time. Let's downshift. Yeah, just look at this view. That's just amazing. And I'm just accelerating really good with a back massage with this view. Yeah, I mean, what else do you want? Oh, what a good car. It just drives also really good, really comfortable. I can just go on a journey with this car, no problem at all. And you have that low end torque. Because yeah, it's an American car, so you also have always have the low end torque. It's not a high revving engine. It only goes to about 5,000 RPM. Yeah, that's not a lot. But you don't really need that. I mean, it's a cruiser. It's not a real sports car. So nice, cheap. Oh, this weather is just amazing. So, yeah, the shifter is still, it really sucks, again, but yeah, I can deal with it, because the rest of it is really good. Yeah, as I said, the quality, it all feels really sturdy and high quality. Really nice soft leather, that's really important, because yeah, it ranks up the quality even more. So yeah, guys, that was it for this video. Let me know what you thought of this Jeep Cherokee, because I'm really curious to hear your guys' opinion. I like it. It drives really well. It looks great from the outside. I also think that it would look even cooler. Yeah, it is new. But what I mean is, I hope over 5 years that it looks the same as it does now. That I really don't want it all to get old, so I really hope it looks the same. And I get the same feeling from the outside, from whoa, that's a really cool SUV, and not really like, I don't know, the newer ones are cooler. That's what I mean. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And comment down below what you think of this car. Okay, thanks, boys.